so good. I didn't, in fact, capture many of Gage's goals, but he had 7. 7, right?
He had 7 and 3 assists.
Good job. Way good. We're at Jackson Hole.
I didn't catch any bugs.
Beautiful here.
Gage, there's 2 in this.
It was really fun. Now we're on our way home. Quick.
Yeah, pretty quick trip.
Okay, everyone buckled, ready to go?
Yippee.
Just got some McDonald's or Wendy's, because you know if you're in Jackson Hole, you should stop at Wendy's.
Wendy's
Aw,
has your jacket
but
on
whatever,
before.
it's fine.
Hey guys, we're making graduation announcements less than a month before I graduate. We're a little bit late to the game. We've just like put it off for a really long time, but now we're doing them. They look so good. My mom's paying right now. We'll show you guys in a second.
I just don't know my
But it's a little bit weird. Like, it doesn't really feel real. I think that's why it's taken us so long to do it, because it doesn't feel like I'm graduating. And also our school burnt down, so there's not really like a school I'm graduating from. But I'm really excited. They're so cute. We'll show you in a sec. Also, if you guys slid up on my story and asked for a grad announcement, you're getting one. Surprise!
We made Braylee's graduation announcements on Canva. I've had Canva for such a long time, and I've done like random little things. I had no idea you could just like put in a template for something. But Braylee saw this one and loved it, and I really love it too. I'm surprised. I don't know why. I really love that you love this one, but I'm surprised that you picked this one.
Why?
I don't know. I thought that you would want your school colors.
My school colors are ugly.
Your school colors are the exact same color of your car.
Yeah, ugly.
It's not ugly. They're not ugly. I actually really love these.
What
I think
school?
they're beautiful. Yeah, Braylee's school burnt down. I don't think we really talked about that. We were going to talk about it on the podcast, and
Oh yeah.
we failed to do so.
My new school colors are actually purple and
They
teal.
can be whatever you want them to be. They're this nice little array of neutrals. I love this. So the original one had like a blank background, and Braylee was like, oh, I don't have just a plain picture, but that looks even better with the
that
sky.
looks so cute.
Ah, I love them. So we just printed them off. Well, we just sent them in to be printed off, and hopefully they look good.
If you
and not
guys
blurry.
didn't get one, just make sure to pay attention to this really important part.
Oh,
here.
Braylee, stop. We did put her Venmo on, and I appreciate that. I just hope it's not tacky. I don't think it's tacky.
Everybody is.
Okay. I just think it's so much easier for everyone.
I think it's such a good idea.
I do too, honestly. For like me being someone who would send it. Anyway, look how pretty she is. Little pretty.
I know I don't look like that anymore.
Well, besides your hair's a little darker.
Yeah, I mean
That's
my
all.
face changed a lot
Braylee's face hasn't changed since like
7th grade.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll show you when they get here. So exciting, so weird.
Hopefully they look
I
good.
can't even handle it. I can't even like
Yeah, it made me a little emotional. I
can't-
don't know why.
feel all the emotions connected with this phase of life. I just can't.
It doesn't feel real, huh?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
We're just playing pretend.
I still do, so.
Good morning, everyone. I am just upstairs using a new birthday gift. Oh, it's in my pocket. Braylee got me some rosemary scalp and hair strengthening oil for my birthday, and this little scalp massager thing. She's been using this rosemary oil for a while. I think she saw it on TikTok, I'm pretty sure. And her hair looks amazing. So she was nice and got that for me for my birthday. And I was just going to put it on. And then I remembered something that I have been thinking about, especially last night when I was going to sleep. I was thinking about this. I just had a birthday, and I feel like every year on my birthday, I think, okay, I want to like document things over this next year, or I want to do something to make this year better or different, or, you know, whatever it may be. I'm always like inspired to try something different and new. And I was thinking, I don't know if I'm applying this right. I was thinking about all the different things that I thought about doing. Journaling, taking a picture every day, all these things that I haven't actually done, because I'll start doing it and then I'll miss a couple days and then I get frustrated and then I'm like, well, I missed a couple days, now the year is ruined or something like that, you know. I just get discouraged. And then I thought, what if I started to do or try out different things and I try it for 21 days. I've always heard that to create like healthy habits, you need to do it for 21 days. Or if there's something that you're doing that you want to quit, like soda, stop drinking soda for 21 days. And somehow that is like the magic number that will help you succeed in those things. So it's like, what if I tried out different things that we all hear are like good for us or work, just try them out for 21 days. The things that I feel are beneficial to my life, see if I can continue doing those throughout the year. But also being like not so hard on myself if I miss a couple days here and there, and just remember that it's just something that I want to try out. It probably is hard since they say that it takes 21 days to create a habit. Something has to be happening in your mind, in your body, in whatever, in those 21 days. It has to be a little challenging, right? I don't know. So I was even thinking about starting to use this oil, and I thought, what if I make sure that over the next 21 days, I'm using this consistently? I think Braylee has a schedule, and I'll ask her what it is. And if I see an improvement in 21 days, then I'll continue doing it. I mean, I probably will anyways with the oil. I was trying to figure out what are a few different things that I could try over the next 21 days that wouldn't interfere with the other. So if I'm doing something for my hair, what is something that I could do for myself physically over the next 21 days and mentally and emotionally that wouldn't intertwine or like interfere with the results that I'm getting for all of them. So I'm just thinking about that while I put this oil all over my scalp. Braylee says that she puts it all over her scalp, and then you can work it through your ends. My hair has been falling out terribly. I always lose a lot of hair, and when it's long it seems like it's even more because the strands of hair are longer. But I'm feeling like my hairline is receding through here. So I'm hoping that, you know, maybe if I give my scalp some love and maybe some of the different things that I try over the next 21 days throughout this year will help. Everything that I do, I just want to make sure that it is benefiting my life physically, mentally, emotionally, different things that will help strengthen my brain, and, you know, just things like that. Things that are good for the soul, the brain, all the things. I know, I am really excited. I think that one of the things that I really want to do starting now is journal. I was just talking to Braylee about this last night because she was talking about her upcoming trip, and she was just talking about like finding herself, being on her own, and, you know, different things that she wants to do. And I said, you really should journal. That's a great way to I think, find yourself, or to find gratitude, or just see like how far you've come and the different things that you've learned. And I think that that not only applies to what she'll be doing, traveling and being on her own for the first time, but for all of us in our lives, just to be able to reflect and show gratitude and to see how far we've come, you know? So far, I know that I want to do the rosemary oil for my hair, see how that goes. It might be more than 21 days that I really need to give this a go since I don't wash my hair every day. It's much cheaper, much more inexpensive than a lot of other things, and also more natural, you know, so we will see. And then journaling. And then I want to come up with something for like my physical, because I definitely need to move my body in some way. So I'm just trying to figure out what I want to start with that I'll be doing for 21 days, because I just feel like I'm starting from zero right now as far as all of these things. So haven't journaled in years and years and years. Haven't exercised consistently for years, and I'm balding. Just kidding, I'm not balding, but you know, I'm losing my hair, and I've never tried anything like this. So I have the rosemary oil, and then also this little, my hair's just falling out, this little scalp massager. I'm just going to finish putting this through my ends, and then Braylee says that she leaves it on for a couple hours. So doing this, and then I am going to go clean. So fun. It was a weekend. It's a Monday. My house is always extra messy on Monday mornings. Just random things that I'll find throughout the house. Kind of funny. And we were busy this weekend traveling. But I don't know if you saw the last vlog. Gage is playing lacrosse. He was cleared. And he did so awesome, and I'm so proud of him. And it's just, it feels really good to watch him and to see how good he is at lacrosse, and that he is just the same player. It doesn't even seem like he broke his leg in half. And it's really good to feel like we're back into our normal springtime routine, because we're always watching the boys play lacrosse and traveling a little bit, and it just feels really nice. So, see, so many things to write in my journal about.